how to fix Squarespace, something went wrong. So there are two reasons why you might be getting this issue. And the first thing that we need to do is actually check our extensions. So right here, we want to click on the little puzzle piece for extensions if you're using Google Chrome, and then select Manage Extensions. Now try disabling or removing every single extension that you have. So turn it off, turn all of these off that you have, and see if that fixes the issue for you. If you're still getting the something went wrong issue on Squarespace, this error, then what you have to do is open up your website, and here we will click on Settings. Then you have to go to the billing section, and where it says payment information, we will need to disconnect our current payment method, and then we will need to reconnect it. That is if we are using Stripe as our payment method. So disconnect your payment method here, and we will need to input all of the information yet again, and this should fix the something went wrong issue on Squarespace. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.